Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the Hot Midfielder special offer in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video is for beginner that new into this game, because previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Well, before we start, there are some new campaign here, like CONMEBOL Libertadores campaign. So there are some events, some challenge that you can join, but I want to show you the special offer, the Hot Midfielder. Let's get started by tapping the store button at the bottom of your screen and tap this one, welcome to FC Mobile. So there are two ways to get this Hot Midfielder: by using this one, FC Point 2000, or you can use the gems, this one. You can use 1200 gems, and there are 10 limits to do this or to unlock this pack. So these packs contain guarantee reward, best player and welcome player, and also coin. Let's try once more. Tap big gems and action pack task complete, and I've got Romero here. It's not even midfielder, but it's not bad. Let's continue once more time. Tap and refill. I've got Amarty. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.